Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla Tunity, and today I've got a fun one for you. We're gonna go pick up my 20-inch forged 0G performance wheels for the Model 3. These are the wheels I won from the referral program, so thank you to those out there that used my referral code. You helped me win these wheels, and I hope you're enjoying your Teslas. So come along with me and let's check it out.
Later.
All right, we made it to Tesladania down here in South Florida for my scheduled appointment, where I found out I was the first to receive these wheels from this location. Rather than install the wheels on the car, I had them mount the tires to the wheels but load them up inside the car so I could take them home. One fit perfectly in the trunk by itself, and then I was able to put 3 across the back seat using cardboard and towels to keep them safe in transport.
More moments later.
Well, there they are, the 0G referral wheels for the Model 3. What do you think? I don't know if I can sell these, and that was the original plan. They are so gorgeous. Let me know what you think in the comments down below.
3 hours later.
All right, well, here they are. They're stacked up nice and neat inside my house now. Obviously, they didn't go on the car. After careful consideration, I've decided to keep the 19-inch sport wheels on my Model 3. So that means these 20-inch 0G awesome wheels for the Model 3, they're available and they could be yours. So if you're interested and you're local to South Florida, shoot me a private message on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, all under the name Tesla Tunity, of course, and these wheels could be yours.